Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to run an already installed model locally using Ollama. Let's get started by heading over to the Start menu, typing in CMD, and clicking Open to launch the command prompt. Now, before we launch anything, let's see what we currently have on our system. Type Ollama and we will use the list command. Go ahead and type Ollama list and press Enter. You can see we have two models installed right now. Currently, neither of them is active. We can verify this by checking for any running models. To do that, use the Ollama PS command, which lists everything running at the moment. Hit Enter, and as you can see, the list is completely empty because nothing is active right now. Let's go ahead and launch one of them. We'll start up Llama 3.2. To run an existing model, use the run command followed by the exact model name and its version parameter. Type Ollama run llama and press Enter. It will take a second to initialize. And now it's successfully started. From here, you are ready to interact with it. You can type in a prompt, ask a question, and use the model directly. And that's how easy it is to spin up your installed LLMs in Ollama using the run command. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.